Hello everyone, I am Dattatreya Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda. New day, new topic. And our today's topic is Hazard and Operability HAZOP Study Part 20C. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to the various topics of fundamental engineering, procurement engineering, project and career, instrumentation and engineering deliverables, and many more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is Hazard and Operability, that is HAZOP study part 20C. As part of the functional safety and safety instrumented system SIS, safety instrumented system SIS part 20 is already published. Safety life cycle part 20A is already published on our channel. Safety integrity level seal part 20B is already published on our channel. HAZOP part 20C, this video is the last video of this series. Keep watching to have a better continuity and understanding on the subject. Introduction to HAZOP. In the process industry, process hazard analysis is generally undertaken, which may range from a screening analysis to a complex hazard and operability HAZOP study, which depends on the complexity of the operations and the severity of the risk involved. A HAZOP study is a structured and a systematic examination of a complex plant or operation in order to identify and evaluate the problem that may represent risk to the personnel or the equipment. Mainly, this HAZOP concentrate on the identifying both hazard as well as the operability problem, while the HAZOP study is designed to identify hazards through a systematic approach. More than 80% of a study recommendations are operability problem and are not of themselves to of the hazard. Although hazard identification is the main focus, operability problem should be identified to the extent that they have the potential lead to process hazard, result in an environmental violation, or have a negative impact on profitability. Basically, HAZOP means examination of your procedures. A HAZOP is often carried out later in the design phase, which often causes project delay or costly design changes. Therefore, it is always better, or in fact many clients require HAZID study during early design stage so that hazards can be avoided or reduced. This technique is based on the breaking of the overall complex design of the process into a number of simpler sections called node, which are then individually reviewed, and it is carried out by a suitably experienced multidisciplinary team, that is a HAZOP team, during a series of meetings where the discussions were happen to analyze the risk involved. The HAZOP technique is qualitative and aims to stimulate the imagination of participants to identify potential hazard and operability problem. Structure and direction are given to review by applying standardized word or guide word prompts to a review of each node which identified during the marking stage. If a hazard has not been identified, measure cannot be put into place to mitigate the risk. It is always remember, or in fact it to be remembered, that a HAZOP should be considered a design verification rather than an opportunity for review of design. Additionally, one should always remember and understand the objective of HAZOP study is to address safety issues and operability issues. Always remember, prevention is better than control. This is how the introduction we have tried to cover. We will see more in our video about HAZOP. HAZOP study, methodology and benefits. HAZOP methodology. A core HAZOP is undertaken to verify the design and should be carried out during the detailed design phase of a project. One can refer to the figure where the identification or the methodology is being defined. First step is to define the node from the facility. Second step is to see deviation, that select a parameter and guide word, apply the operational deviation to the node. Third step, causes, identify the causes of the deviation in the node. Fourth step, consequences, appraise the consequences of a deviation. Fifth stage, safeguard, enlist all existing safeguards, mitigation or preventing the hazard, apply a risk matrix and estimate the risk. Step 6 is the recommendation. If risk is not with a acceptable zone, propose a recommendation to reduce the risk up to the acceptable or alarm zone. Now for HAZOP study, input required are: first PFDs, second PNIDs for process and utilities, third HSC risk matrix and a response chart, fourth heat and mass balances, fifth plot plan, general equipment arrangement and elevation drawings, sixth material specification and selection chart, 7 cause and effect diagram, 8 process design basis, 9 process operation and control philosophy, 10 operation and maintenance manual. Benefit of HAZOP: first, potential deviations from intended design function are identified and corrected. Second, health, safety and environmental process and equipment hazards are revealed. Third, actions for necessary process or instrumentation improvement can be planned. Fourth, action responses are auditable by management and legislative inspectorate. This is how the HAZOP study, methodology and benefits we have seen in brief. HAZOP study: 1. To identify and evaluate safety hazard in the plant and to identify operability problem which could compromise a plant's ability to meet design productivity. Second, the purpose is to carefully review the process or operation in a systematic manner to identify potential hazard which could lead to undesirable consequences. Following steps to be followed for HAZOP study, which we will see in the following. Data collection: the following documents are required prior to a HAZOP study: A. PNIDs, B. Cause and effect chart setting out how the control and trip system operates, C. Vendor package detail, D. Plant detail diagram, E. Piping material specification, that is PMS, F. Equipment specification, etc. Fourth, understanding the subject, plant operation and the potential problem. Fifth, subdividing the plant and planning the sequence. The plant must be split into manageable section, that is node branches, for this study. Sixth, drawing markup. The study strategy is marked up on the drawing. Preparing a list of appropriate words, like preparing a table heading and agenda where we will see the guide word no or not, more, less, as well as part of, other than, early, late, before, after. This is how the words are being used. Then preparing a timetable and analyze the complete process. One can refer to the picture where HAZOP review is shown, where the various inputs are coming, is basically from preparation, knowledge, experience, HAZOP team experience, information for study, then the leadership, attitude, then it will lead out to the documentation, then make a timetable where the deviation, causes, consequences, safeguard actions are being taken, and upon the completion of this, the HAZOP allows to have the complete follow-up of the study which we have done it with a required rectifications or the recommendations advised by the HAZOP team. Summary of guide word or keyword. The basic HAZOP guide words are shown in a table. Mainly one should understand the meaning of these words to have a better understanding on the HAZOP study. No, not, none. Meaning is none of the design intent is achieved. Example, no flow when production is expected. More of or higher. Quantitative increase in a parameter, higher temperature than the desired. Less of or the lower. Quantitative decrease in parameter, lower pressure than the normal, as well as more than. An additional activity occurs, other valves close at the same time, logic fault or a human error. Part of, reverse, other than, these are the words are tabulated. One should pause and see this table and understand clearly, and hope this today's video will help you to understand the HAZOP and their requirements, and you will get opportunity to participate in any of the project HAZOP on which you are working, and there this video content will help you to be a good team member to conduct the HAZOP. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, and you can find our channel details as follows. If you are new to our channel, that is our YouTube channel eFunda, then subscribe to our channel eFunda, and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification of upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Similarly, you can follow us on a Instagram page. Similarly, you can follow us on our Facebook page as well. And keep watching our channel eFunda for various topics related to engineering and a project. With this, we can assure you this will help you to better your understanding on engineering and a project topic. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Thanks. Watch our channel for new day, new topic.